Hello and Assalamu alaikum students. I'm your social studies teacher, Ms. Sayyida Rakshanda Zahra. Students, as you know that we have started a chapter trade, and our today's session is about balance of payment. So let's start. The balance of payments of a country is the difference between all money flowing into the country. That means that we earn, ठीक है, by failing. So we earn the money and all the money flow into our country in a particular period of time, and the outflow of money. What is outflow of money? When we import something, when we buy something, so we have to pay it to the country from which we are buying. Yes, so to the rest of the world. This is actually balance of payment is the difference between all the money flowing into the country and the outflow of the money to the rest of the world in a particular period of time. And these financial transactions are can be made by individuals, firms, and government bodies. Okay, the country pays for its imports through its exports. This is called the balance of payment. Yes, whatever we are going to import, we will try to make balance between our imports and exports. Okay, and we try to pay for our imports through our exports. Countries try to maintain a balance between their spending and income, and they spend on imports and earn through exports. That's very obvious that we have already learned when we learn about the terms imports and exports. So we learned that when we have to buy something, we have to import something, then we have to spend money on it. And obviously when we export something, when we sell something, then we earn money. Okay, when a country imports goods worth rupees 10 million, ठीक है, it aims to export goods that sell for rupees 10 million too. So that means country try to maintain balance between its imports and export. Okay, there are three types of balance of payments. Let's learn. Number one type is surplus in balance of payment, or this type of balance of payment is also known as favorable balance of payment. As you can see in this picture, okay, imports are shown in the on the left side and exports are shown on the right side. So here you can see that the this side is heavier, ठीक है? So that means this country is having more exports. Yes, more exports and less imports. So here we can see if a country's exports are more, okay, if country's exports are more than its imports, then the balance of payment is said to be favorable. Next is deficit or unfavorable balance of payment. Okay, that's the opposite of the first one. Here you can see that now the imports are less, sorry, exports are less and imports are more. Yes, here see, you can see the imports. This side is, you can see the heavier, and the imports are more. So if a country's imports are more than its exports, the balance of payment is said to be in deficit. Okay, there is another type of balance of payment that is said to be a balanced in the payments. Okay, balanced of payments. This is a third type of balance of payment, and here you can see that the both the sides are in both the sides are equal. That shows that when countries imports are equal to its exports, so there is said to be a balance of payment. Means there is a balance in between the payments. Means imports are equal to the exports. Okay, now when we talk about Pakistan's balance of payment, okay, then we said that Pakistan's balance of payment is in deficit. Yes, that is unfavorable. That is not good. Okay. Why students, why do we have the deficit balance of payment? Because our imports are more than our exports. Yes, we buy more, and you would say, and we earn less. Okay, we buy more goods and services than we we earn less money. People spend more than they earn. Yes, here in Pakistan, people spend more than they earn. They borrow to pay for expenses, and they do not generate any money. Yes, and they import non-essential items also. Here, I would like to give you an idea of that luxuries are something else and your needs are something else. Okay, when you start spending more on luxurious items, okay, then you would say that obviously when a country is going to spend more on luxurious items, then it has to pay more for its import. Okay, there are many factors that affect trade. Okay, as you can see, that trade depends on natural resources, communication, social and trading relationships, law and order situations, government policies, regional cooperation, and values of currencies. Okay, when we talk about trade, so especially international trade, when we talk about, so it depends on certain factors. ठीक है, जैसे अभी हमने बात की, the availability of natural resources, capital, labor, and the key factors that affect trade. So they should be available easily and cheaply. Okay, let's talk about the relationships. ठीक है, when we talk about the social and trading relationships, so the relationship between countries determines help and cooperation extended to both parties. There should be mutual trust, understanding, and open, honest, and fair dealings. Yes, trade policies of governments encourage or discourage trade. Okay, so when we talk about law and order, security issues in countries also affect trade, and people are scared to trade with such countries because of the risk of goods or payments being stuck. Yes, when we talk about the value of currency or exchange rate, so it is another factor. Currencies are valued against dollars and euros in international markets. Law and order situations also affect currencies, and daily fluctuations in currency rates affect trade. Okay, so there are many factors that affect trade. Okay, now here you can see Pakistan's trading partner. Definitely, we are trading with different countries, and different countries are trading with Pakistan also. So we are definitely importing things from different countries, and also we are exporting our items to different countries. So here is the major export. Major countries that with whom we export. Here you can see 16.9% US. Okay, then here you you can see UK, China 7.2%, Afghanistan 6.2%, Germany 5.8, 4.0, Spain, and 52.3% with other countries of the world. Now here you can see the Pakistan's major import, when with which countries we import. So here number one is, you can say, 28.6%. We have our imports with China. Yes, and then secondly UAE, third US. ठीक है, then we talk about Indonesia 4.3%, Saudi Arabia 4.1, Japan 3.9, and 40.3% with the other and the rest countries of the world. Okay, student, here's your task which you are going to do in your copy. There are total 4 questions. Describe each type of balance of payments with diagram. So you remember what diagram? Also, you remember the diagram that I've explained you. Okay, then second, what factors affect trade? Then Pakistan, why Pakistan's balance of payments is in deficit? Give reason. And list down the major trading partner countries of Pakistan, both the countries with which we do our export and our imports. Okay, that's it, student, for today. Inshallah, we'll be meeting up soon with our next topic. So, till then, Allah Hafiz.